Boys have been quiet for too long. What are you cleaning up?
A mess we did, and we went to friends. Oh, this is
Wyatt, what happened to you?
What got messy?
I just gave you guys a bath.
Got me on.
Wyatt.
What?
Wyatt.
Okay.
Did you help with this mess?
No, I didn't.
Doc, you better clean all of this.
Okay.
Why is this chair like this? Is this how chairs are supposed to be?
No, we like to do this. We don't like to do this.
Should I call Dad right now and
No.
tell Dad what happened?
No. But I don't want him to be mad at me.
Why are you doing this stuff to Wyatt? Why are you teaching him this is okay?
Ah!
It's not funny.
Stop it. I'm snapping my stuff in. Okay, what? Huh?
Oh my gosh.